Hey, what's going on, guys? It's DOM here with our first review of the day. I bought this Phillips mechanical keyboard on eBay for around $15, $14.99 to be exact, and it's set to have mechanical switches, Cherry MX Blue switches, for only $15. That's pretty good. Here, let's just open the box. Pretty nice packaging, to be honest. Here's a user manual. Nah, throw that away. Let's just take the keyboard out. Seems pretty heavy. It has a metal back plate, I think. Feels pretty sturdy and durable. Let's take these foam sides off and the plastic cover. Throw that away. It feels really heavy, which is pretty good because it's not going to move away from your table. It's going to just stay where you place it. Here's a better look at the keyboard, the back. It has two stands, which are pretty good height. And it has these braided cable, which is really durable and really sturdy. It feels pretty good. It has 7 functions. Here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and the ninth one. And you can also set your own function. You press function and then the INS button, and then click the switches you want, and then you press the function and the save. And then when you go to the function 0, it shows you the function keys that you set. It's pretty good, and it has these effects. It has like around 7 effects. Function INS sets the effects. And then here's another. This is the breathing effect. And here's another one. This effect is really my favorite. It turns on every time you click a key. And this is the normal one. You could also change the brightness using the function and the arrow keys up and down. Here is a test of the mechanical keyboard sound. It sounds really good for the price. $15 for this, and let's remove the keycaps. I think it has Cherry MX Blue switches. Yes, it does. These are really good. Pretty high quality for only $15 too. And here's just a keyboard typing test. It feels really good. It's very sturdy, it doesn't move away, and it has these rubber pads under it which help it stay on your desk. without moving around while you're gaming or raging. And this is my favorite effect, to be honest. It turns on the lights every time you click a key. And guys, for more reviews like this, please subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. I'll leave the link for this item down below so you guys can check it out and buy it because it's actually amazing. And peace, guys. That's it. Yeah. There you go.